Hi, this is Lena Shea and Iowa Mom, and I...
Hey lady,
What?
the party's over.
No, this isn't a party mix. This is a snack mix. And you know, you can have a snack any time of the year. Although, it would be pretty good for a party too. Thanks for the idea.
Preheat the oven to 250.
And in the large mixing bowl, a 1/4 cup of butter. We're going to melt that in the microwave. To the melted butter, we're going to add a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon sugar, 1½ tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. And if you don't have a half, you can do 1 teaspoon and 1/2 teaspoon. Mix that together.
We want a total of about 6 cups of cereal, but you can use any combination. I'm using 1/2 and 1/2 of corn and rice. I mix that thoroughly and then pour it into a cake pan. About a 9 by 13 works, or bigger.
Kind of give it an extra tossing once it's in the pan. Stick it in the oven for a whole hour. But we are going to stop it every 15 minutes to stir, so I'm setting my timer for 15 minutes.
The timer went off. It's been 15 minutes, so it's time to stir. And we're going to use a spatula so I can get all the goodness off of the bottom and make it nice and even. We'll put it back in the oven for another 15 minutes.
Now we're going to put out a nice layer of paper towel. So we just pour that out. So we just spread that out over the paper towel.
It's ready to eat, but if we want to store it or add other ingredients, we want to let it cool.
To make this more interesting, there's all kinds of things we can add, like dried cranberries or mixed nuts, pecans, even chocolate. Or how about cherry chips?
Our favorite is to put in mixed nuts, then a handful of dried cranberries. The nuts add flavor, crunch, and protein, and the cranberries give a variety with a soft texture.
This is Lena Shea at Iowa Mom. Thanks for watching.
If you'd like to see more, go to youtube.com/an Iowa Mom videos. Then click on the video tab for a whole list.
Hi, this is Lena